Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Scalper Gold Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is an M1 scalper, a 1 minute time frame scalper built specifically for XAU USD with dynamic risk modes and recovery features. The seller presents it as a smart gold scalper that can handle volatile moves. So let's see what the developer page actually claims, and also compare the results here with more recent results, backtest results from my own backtest, because I ran this Scalper Gold Expert Advisor on MetaTrader 5 using the strategy tester. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's Expert Advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get right into it. According to the MQL5 page, Scalper Gold Expert Advisor focuses on quick scalps on the 1 minute time frame for gold. It uses entry signals for moving average filters and trades in both directions. It goes for just $70 US, and the developer Endra Setianto is quite active with this expert advisor, as it was just updated a few days ago on 5th June 2026, and it was published this year 19th January 2026. So the developer is kind of active with this expert advisor, and there are comments here showing some claims and of wins and profits, but we're going to check everything out in this video. Now, the system includes dynamic risk settings with low to extreme. We also have grid distance management. We also have the lot adding or multiplying on additional positions. We also have the news filter and block size controls to manage exposure. So it does have grid. That is one thing it has. It has the grid strategy embedded into its scalping. So that's one thing to note, that this is an EA that is comfortable with risk. Yeah, it has instant reopen, trailing options, and dashboard features. The idea is to catch small pauses in gold while using layered recovery to walk through temporary drawdowns. Seller backtest shows solid profit factors, good win rates. I have everything here. Win rate about 68%, and control drawdowns in their optimized runs. Drawdowns of 8%, equity drawdown max is 8%, and balance drawdown max is just 4% within 95% history quality. So it's quite impressive. We are seeing total net profits of $11,000 from an initial deposit of just $10,000, which is over 100% in profits. So all of these are wonderful numbers they show. This is their equity curve, and this backtest was just a 1 month backtest, the whole of January basically. And this is what it looks like. This is exactly what it looks like when it's in action. The Scalper Gold Expert Advisor, and the features and settings that they market is the dynamic risk modes. We have the low, the mid, the high, extreme, and the custom. All of these are risk mode that you can choose from. We have the entry signals, there's the news filters, and the lot or layer management. You can also adjust grid distances. You can adjust the lot size, multipliers. You can also adjust the risk levels. Then there is the MA filters, the moving average filters, and the news stop times. All of these are highly adjustable, and the developer offers different risk presets and stresses using proper broker conditions for the 1 minute gold trading. As we all know, 1 minute is a fast-paced market, so you need a broker that has good spreads to avoid getting stopped out based on slippages, and to also have a good and efficient trading with this Scalper Gold Expert Advisor. Now let's get down to my backtest. I ran this Scalper Gold on XAUUSD on the 1 minute time frame as recommended, and it was from June 2025 to June 2026, so a 1 year period. Yeah, not 1 month like they did in their backtest. It was just 1 month, but this is 1 year, and 100% modeling quality on $10,000 US dollars deposit, and the equity curve started okay, but then it suffered massive drawdowns, ending with a big net loss of around negative $9,649. This is here. Had a loss of $9,649, which is almost, the account is almost blown, and profit factor below 1, 0.82 to be precise, and equity drawdown hit nearly 98%. This is it. And balance drawdown, the maximum was 98.73%. Basically account killing. The account is almost gone, just 2% for the account to go. And comparing this to the developers backtest results, recent conditions exposed the weakness hard, also considering the fact that this backtest was over the span of 1 year compared to their backtest of just 1 month. And from the inputs, I used the defaults for this backtest. The key ones that actually matter are the risk mode. Even low is dangerous here. Yeah, so my risk mode, I set it to low. I didn't set it to high or extreme. I used low, so we can see the results of our low risk settings. So if you are setting it to high or extreme, then I really don't know what your results are going to look like, but you should be careful. And we also have the grid distance. You can set all of this. We have the lot multipliers and the news filter settings. All of these are here. We have the custom rig settings. Everything are here, and they are customizable. We also have the time filter settings. All of these are very important in the efficiency of this expert advisor. Honestly, 1 minute time frame gold scalping with grid recovery is extremely sensitive to spreads and slippage. One bad sequence stacks positions and blows the account, just like we saw. And we were going well initially, but we have those bad sharp loss and consistent losses here that made this account go all the way down to zero, and it's due to things like spreads and slippages on scalping. One bad sequence, like I said, can stack positions and blow the account, especially when the grid feature is on, just like we have seen. And the news filter helps but doesn't save it in strong moves. High trade volume means constant risk, and also we have the grid function, which is on, and this is a very, very risky expert advisor to trade with. We have also some trades that it took a sell trade here and held on for days. It basically holds trade for days, maybe weeks even. All of these are trying to sell. This is the grid setup in action. I remember that our risk on this backtest is low, so the grid function didn't take much. I have the good grid distance. Basically, it held on to those sell trades for days and days and days, I think weeks. Well, I don't know where that ends, but it held on to those trades for, I would say, a week, more than a week, waiting to close in profit. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it looks promising in seller tests, but it fails hard in realistic recent conditions with devastating drawdowns. We have 98% drawdowns. I'll say it's for highly experienced gold scalpers who use tiny risk on premium raw spread brokers and traders who can monitor every minute. Who should avoid it? I'll say almost everyone else, especially beginners, prop firm traders, or anyone wanting account safety or conservative traders. You should probably avoid this expert advice or the Scalper Gold. If this review helped you I'm sure it has. Hit the like button and subscribe for more honest expert advice or reviews like this one, and drop a comment with the next expert advisor you want me to test next. Check the free Forex robot in the description below. It's totally worth it, and try to safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.